Here are the top 6 realistic side hustles you can do remotely, all designed to be beginner-friendly and packed with income potential. From leveraging your skills to tapping into online markets, these side hustles can help you achieve financial freedom. So, if you want to learn how to kickstart your side hustle journey, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. Let's dive into these exciting opportunities and discover how you can start earning today. Number 6. Social media management. This side hustle involves managing social media accounts for businesses or individuals, creating engaging content, and interacting with followers. While it offers flexibility and the potential for steady income, it ranks at number 6 due to the competitive landscape and the need for a solid understanding of various platforms. Unlike higher-ranked options, social media management requires ongoing engagement and creativity, which can be time-consuming. However, it allows you to develop valuable skills in digital marketing and analytics. As you build a portfolio, you can attract clients and increase your rates. Compared to affiliate marketing, which offers passive income potential, social media management demands more active involvement. Nonetheless, for those who enjoy creativity and communication, it can be a rewarding venture that opens doors to further opportunities in the digital space. Number 5. Dropshipping. This business model allows you to sell products online without holding any inventory. You simply partner with suppliers who ship products directly to your customers. While dropshipping offers low startup costs and the flexibility to work from anywhere, it ranks at number 5 due to its reliance on third-party suppliers and the potential for lower profit margins. Unlike social media management, which focuses on engagement and creativity, dropshipping requires a keen eye for market trends and effective marketing strategies to drive traffic to your online store. The competition can be fierce, making it essential to carve out a niche. However, the appeal lies in the ability to test various products without financial risk. Compared to higher-ranked options, dropshipping demands more upfront research and ongoing optimization. But for those willing to put in the effort, it can lead to significant rewards in the e-commerce landscape. Number 4. Online tutoring. This side hustle involves teaching students in various subjects through virtual platforms, making it a flexible and rewarding option. Online tutoring ranks at number 4 due to its demand for expertise in specific subjects and the need for effective communication skills. Unlike dropshipping, which focuses on product sales, online tutoring allows you to share your knowledge and make a direct impact on students' learning journeys. The potential for high hourly rates is appealing, especially for those with specialized skills or advanced degrees. However, it requires preparation and adaptability to cater to different learning styles. Compared to higher-ranked options, online tutoring can be more time-intensive, as it involves real-time interaction and lesson planning. Yet, for those passionate about education and mentoring, it offers a fulfilling way to earn income while helping others succeed academically. Number 3. Virtual assistant. This role involves providing administrative support to businesses or entrepreneurs remotely, handling tasks such as scheduling, email management, and social media coordination. Ranking at number 3, virtual assistants enjoy a diverse range of responsibilities, making each day unique and engaging. Unlike online tutoring, which focuses on education, virtual assistants can work across various industries, allowing for flexibility in choosing clients and projects. The demand for virtual assistants continues to grow as more businesses embrace remote work, offering competitive pay and the potential for long-term contracts. However, it requires strong organizational skills and the ability to multitask effectively. Compared to higher-ranked options, virtual assisting may not offer the same level of passive income potential, but it provides a steady income stream and the opportunity to build valuable relationships with clients. For those who thrive in dynamic environments, this side hustle can be both profitable and fulfilling. Number 2. Freelance writing. This side hustle involves creating content for various clients, including blog posts, articles, and marketing materials. Ranking at number 2, freelance writing offers immense flexibility and the potential for high earnings, especially for those with a knack for storytelling and a strong command of language. Unlike virtual assisting, which often involves administrative tasks, freelance writing allows for creative expression and the opportunity to explore diverse topics. The demand for quality content continues to rise as businesses seek to enhance their online presence, making this a lucrative field. However, it requires self-discipline and the ability to meet deadlines consistently. Compared to the top-ranked option, freelance writing can lead to passive income through royalties or ongoing projects. But it often requires more effort to establish a client base. For those passionate about writing, this side hustle can be both rewarding and financially beneficial, paving the way for a thriving career. Number 1. Affiliate marketing. This lucrative side hustle involves promoting products or services and earning a commission for every sale made through your referral link. Ranking at number 1, affiliate marketing stands out for its potential for passive income, allowing you to earn money even while you sleep. Unlike freelance writing, which requires ongoing content creation, affiliate marketing focuses on strategic promotion, leveraging your online presence through blogs, social media, or email marketing. The beauty of affiliate marketing lies in its scalability. As you grow your audience, your earning potential increases exponentially. It requires minimal upfront investment, making it accessible for beginners. However, success hinges on choosing the right niche and building trust with your audience. Compared to other side hustles, affiliate marketing offers a unique blend of creativity and entrepreneurship, making it an ideal choice for those looking to generate income with flexibility and long-term growth potential. In this video, we explored the top 6 realistic side hustles you can do remotely in 2024, starting with social media management at number 6, followed by dropshipping, online tutoring, virtual assisting, and freelance writing, with affiliate marketing taking the top spot. Each of these options offers unique opportunities for beginners to earn income while working from home. Affiliate marketing, in particular, stands out for its potential for passive income and scalability, making it an ideal choice for those looking to build a sustainable online business. If you found this information valuable, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insights and tips on starting your side hustle journey. Dive deeper into these options, explore what resonates with you, and take the first step towards financial freedom. Remember, the best time to start is now. Your future self will thank you.